Yo, what's going on, guys? It's R. Did you know that over 1,000 malls across the USA are completely abandoned? These massive buildings that used to be packed with people now just sitting empty. Kinda creepy, right? But you know what's even crazier? These dead malls are actually a huge opportunity to make serious cash. Smart entrepreneurs are swooping in and turning them into gold mines. They're using this one simple strategy. It costs like $200 a month, and they're raking in huge profits. So if you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and you're ready to become your own boss, keep watching. Before we get into how to make money from dead malls, we gotta understand why this opportunity even exists. Malls used to be the place to be, right? Families would spend their weekends there, teenagers would hang out, and businesses were booming. But then, bam! Online shopping hit, big time, rents went through the roof, and the economy took a nosedive. Suddenly malls weren't so cool anymore. People stopped going, stores started shutting down, and these once bustling centers turned into ghost towns. Seriously, over half the malls in America are either abandoned or barely hanging on. Now, here's where it gets interesting for you. All those empty stores mean desperate landlords. They need to fill those spaces, and they need to fill them fast. This is your chance to negotiate crazy low rent deals that you wouldn't believe. We're talking dirt cheap prices for prime real estate. This is how you turn a dying trend into your own personal cash cow. So, how do you actually make money from a dead mall? It's called micro-business leasing. Forget renting a whole store, that's old school. With this strategy, you're snagging a tiny piece of the mall, like 200 square feet, sometimes even less. And the rent? Crazy affordable, like $200 to $500 a month. Now here's where you get creative. You can either sublet that space to someone else for a profit, or you can launch your own, unique business. Idea number 1, micro-gaming zones. Esports and gaming are blowing up and people are dying for cool places to hang out and play. Rent a small space, pack it with arcade games, VR setups, maybe some high-end gaming PCs. Charge $5 to $10 per hour per player, get 10 people in there, that's $100 an hour. Idea number 2, indoor farming. Malls have tons of unused space, perfect for growing stuff indoors. We're talking microgreens, herbs, mushrooms, all that good stuff that people pay top dollar for. Rent a small section, set up some LED lights, and you're in business. Sell to local restaurants, farmers markets, even online. Idea number 3, co-working spaces. Remote work is exploding, but not everyone wants to be stuck at home in their pajamas all day. Turn a section of that dead mall into a co-working haven. A few tables, chairs, good Wi-Fi, maybe some free coffee. You're good to go. Charge $150 a month per person, get 20 members, that's $3,000 a month. Here's the best part about this whole dead mall opportunity. There's practically zero competition. Most investors wouldn't touch these places with a 10-foot pole. They see an empty mall and think, nah, that's a failure. But you're not like everyone else. You see the potential. You see the gold mine that everyone else is missing. The landlords are desperate for you to succeed. They'll bend over backwards to make it work. We're talking crazy low rent, no long-term contracts, flexible agreements. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor of something huge. Test out your ideas, scale up your business, and all with minimal risk. This is how you build an empire, one dead mall at a time. Alright, ready to turn this dream into a reality? Here's your step-by-step guide to get started. Step 1, find your gold mine. Open up Google Maps, scout out local real estate websites, and find yourself a dead or dying mall near you. Look for those for lease signs, those empty storefronts. That's the smell of opportunity. Step 2, talk to the landlord. Hit them up, tell them you've got a killer idea to bring their mall back to life. This is where you negotiate that sweet, sweet low rent. Be confident, be enthusiastic, and don't be afraid to haggle a bit. Step 3, pick your moneymaker. Gaming zone, indoor farm, co-working space, whatever gets you hyped. Step 4, keep it lean and mean. Start small, test the waters, and don't go blowing your life savings on fancy equipment right away. Step 5, spread the word. TikTok, Instagram, local flyers, word of mouth. Whatever it takes to get people excited about your new business. Okay, are you ready for the real mind-blowing secret? Once your business is booming, you can buy the entire mall. These abandoned malls are going for dirt cheap, sometimes less than a house. Imagine the possibilities. You could turn it into a massive entertainment complex, an artist haven, an indoor market, even affordable housing. The sky's the limit. What was once a symbol of economic decline becomes your ticket to financial freedom. So, are you going to let this opportunity pass you by, or are you going to step up and become a dead mall mogul? The choice is yours. So tell me, are you going to be the one who sits on the sidelines watching everyone else get rich? Or are you ready to take action and turn these dead malls into your own personal gold mines? If you're ready to join the movement, let me know. Drop a "I'm ready" in the comments right now. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more game-changing business ideas, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the wealth. Your future is waiting. Will you seize it?